Hey, TM, calm down. I'll get right on it.
Hey, Shane! Sasaya kami, ha?
Chok, lipat mo sa ano muna, HBO. Lipat mo, HBO.
Hey, Shane! Sasaya kami, ha? May tapak-tapak naman, eh.
And that super dog
Hi,
came
ate.
along. Everybody looked at him.
Yan.
Hi, ate! Ang pangalan ng kapatid mo?
Si Juana.
Ay, si
Alright, bring it in.
Wala. Hi, ate!
Let's go.
Ate ka na, litlig mo pa? Hi, ate! Wala kang hikaw.
Kiss na dun.
This is it.
Gusto mo na ganito?
Palipat mo ulit, Chok. Lipat mo.
Parang nahatak-hatakan mo, eh.
I know you're nervous.
Kiss na.
So am I.
Para
My
may
first
ano
game
ka-
too. Now it's time to go out there and put it on the
Hi,
scoreboard.
ate!
May ESPN.
ESPN daw, ESPN Sports.
Discovery Channel winning.
Gusto mo ng ganitong hikaw?
Endo loses out.
Okay.
Abdul Daim belts it forward. Not a strong challenge for Yamaguchi to deal with. He gets on with it though, and Torada
Yung Solar
hit the
Sports.
crossbar from
Nandyan.
similar range.
Solar Sports,
Is
Chok.
brought down, and that's I think one foul too many for Hassan Abbas.
Diyan yung
And
ano,
the
no?
number 4 can complain as much as he wants, but
Oh, nandyan. Meron siyang pay-per-view.
Ideally, you want to
Hindi. Ang pay-per-view, kumukunik pa lang yun sa ano.
Pag may...
Kumukunik lang din ang Solar. Siya lang nagtatransmit sa atin dito.
carry the ball a long way.
Kala ko permanent
Another
na...
red ball on that
Palipat
chart.
mo pa na,
As we're
Cartoon
back at
Network.
13, and Mark Linus is Dana Quigley's par putt.
No, he's got
Oh,
grass
sige,
stains on
Animax.
his knuckles from being so deep in there off the tee and on the second shot. He had an outstanding shot to get it within 15 feet here. All downhill.
Pero okay yun, ah.
This will be all world.
Hindi halata na mayroon kang ganyan.
Oo.
But still, all those who come to talk to her at lunchtime, all at her counseling corner, know that she is someone who cares a lot about other people's problems.
Anong nawala na tornilyo?
This isn't because she's a goddess, but because she's a caring and considerate person.
Yung pang-bolt doon, no?
Oo.
My friend Yuri is elected as president of the student council, then I guarantee that she will do everything within her power to help people, in spite of her many shortcomings as a human being. But if she's elected, we're gonna have to help. Otherwise, she'll get herself into trouble.
Libil ba yun? Libil?
Oo, nilibel ko yan, pre.
We're here, back at the docks. Drop my anchor here so the boat doesn't float away. Beautiful. All right, Sailor Nathan is off duty. What a fantastic sailing adventure.
Ano, namatay?